Welcome back to Meditations by Marcus Aurelius, the series. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the things Marcus said about gratitude and paying it forward. If you haven't seen the first video of this series, please watch it first. The link is in the description. In that video, I cover who Marcus Aurelius was and the basics of Stoicism. That video will give you a good foundation for the rest of the videos in this series. Alright, let's get started. Think not so much of what thou hast not, as of what thou hast. But of the things which thou hast, select the best, and then reflect how eagerly they would have been sought if thou hadst them not. If you want to live a miserable life, think about all the things that you don't have. Think about all the things that are lacking in your life. If you instead appreciate what you do have, express gratitude for those things you appreciate in life, and consider how lucky you are to have everything you do, your life will dramatically improve. Do this on a daily basis just for a couple of minutes. Gratitude is so powerful because what you're really doing is shifting your focus, and what you focus on grows. Marcus continues, "Consider thyself to be dead, and to have completed thy life up to the present time, and live according to nature the remainder which is allowed thee." Stoics sure like to think about death, don't they? Okay, so try this. Pretend that your life is over. That's it, you're dead. Maybe it was a great journey and experience, or maybe it just sucked. Either way, move forward with this mentality. Be thankful for what life granted you, and live the remainder of your days paying it forward, living every day as a gift, and living for your true purpose in life. If you're lost on your purpose, check out my video on how to find your purpose, and also Marcus's video on purpose and values. I'll link to them below. Marcus also talks a bit about helping others in his meditations. He stated, "Give help to all according to thy ability and their fitness. There is only one fruit of this terrene life, a pious disposition and social acts. Help others. When you help someone, 3 people benefit from it: the person you're helping, yourself, and the person who witnesses the act. There are so many ways in which you can help others. It doesn't have to be monetary. So always look for opportunities. Try to align your purpose in life with helping others. When your purpose is aligned with helping others, you're on the right path." Alright, and I have one more Marcus quote for you on the topic. "One man, when he has done a service to another, is ready to set it down to his account as a favor conferred. Another is not ready to do this, but still, in his own mind, he thinks of the man as his debtor, and he knows what he has done. A third, in a manner, does not even know what he has done, but he is like a vine which has produced grapes, and seeks for nothing more after it has once produced its proper fruit. So a man, when he has done a good act, does not call out for others to come and see, but he goes on to another act. Help others and don't expect anything in return. Seriously, you need to give with zero expectation of return. When you expect something in return and you don't get it, you become resentful. You'll be better off by not expecting anything in return, because it's simply not healthy to walk around feeling like the world owes you this or that. Give unconditionally. Giving makes you feel better about yourself, connects you with that person in a special way, makes the world a better place, improves the life of another, and once you improve their life a little, they may pass that new positive energy to everyone they meet. Lastly, don't go around gloating about your good deeds. Nobody wants to hear about it, and you'll look like a bit of a fool. Nobody likes a boaster. You don't need to impress or seek approval from anyone. Do it for the sake of doing it. As cheesy as it sounds, expressing gratitude for life and paying it forward by helping people is what makes life exciting, rewarding, and fulfilling. Gratitude and altruism improve your physical and psychological health. They open the door to new relationships. It improves self-esteem, reduces aggression, improves empathy, reduces stress, and fosters resilience. Help out someone when the opportunity presents itself. Just one small act a day can go a long way. And take a few minutes every day to think about what you're grateful for and what you appreciate instead of complaining. Develop an attitude of gratitude and your life will change. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.